In this video we will integrate e to the power x multiplied by sec inverse x plus 1 upon x times the square root of x square minus 1. So this integral can be written as integral of e to the power x sec inverse x plus e to the power x 1 upon x times square root of x square minus 1. Now we have two terms, so we will apply integral on both terms. So this I can be written as integral of e to the power x sec inverse x dx plus integral of e to the power x 1 upon x times the square root of x square minus 1 dx. Now we will integrate one of these integral by using integration by parts. So first of all we will consider this integral. So integral of e to the power x sec inverse x dx, and the formula for integration by parts is integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Now we have to choose what is u and what is dv in this integral. So this integral can be written as integral of sec inverse x e to the power x dx. Now we can suppose sec inverse x as u and e to the power x dx as dv. So let u is equal to sec inverse x and dv is equal to e to the power x dx. Now here we will find the differential du, which is the derivative of sec inverse x. So the derivative of sec inverse x is 1 upon x times the square root of x square minus 1 dx. And here we will integrate both sides. So integral of dv is v and the integral of e to the power x dx is e to the power x. Now we will put these values in this formula. So first we will write integral, then u is sec inverse x, and then dv which is e to the power x dx. Then the values of u and v, u is sec inverse x and v is e to the power x, then minus sign, then integral. Now we will put the value of v over here, which is e to the power x, and du is 1 upon x times square root of x square minus 1 dx. Now we can write this integral as e to the power x sec inverse x dx is equal to e to the power x sec inverse x minus integral of e to the power x 1 upon x times the square root of x square minus 1 dx. Now we will put the value of this integral in place of this integral. So the integral I will become e to the power x sec inverse x minus integral of e to the power x 1 upon square root of x times the square root of x square minus 1 dx, and then plus this integral plus e to the power x 1 upon x times square root of x square minus 1 dx. Now we can cancel these integrals. So the value of I is e to the power x sec inverse x, and for the sake of completion we will add plus c. Here c is the constant of integration.